Do you like trees? Are trees important? If so, why? Well, you're about to find out. So, 4 trees, many facts. 4 of my favorite trees are the trees of the rainforest, spruce, taiga, and pica marina. The rainforest trees get high rainfall. The rainfall gets up to 250 to 450, or depends on varying regions. They're also disappearing worldwide. For the spruce trees, around the world there are 35 types of coniferous evergreen trees. They're also affected by slight fluctuations in climate. For the taiga trees, they're boreal or cold snowy forests, characterized by coniferous trees consisting pines, spruces, and larches. Pica marina, which I did not get a picture of, is also called this black spruce, and they also come from the pine family. What's forest damage? The main threat of animals is forest loss, which is very true. Many types of tree species are being damaged. Tree damage is called deforestation. Many trees are being damaged because of fruits of the trees. So, why do scientists think deforestation is so terrible? Deforestation has a very bad impact on the earth. One bad impact is that it starts climate change and creates global warming. People are making too many agriculture expansions, too much livestock ranching. There's also a lot of overpopulation and logging. So why are forests or trees so important? Most people say that they're the lungs of the world. The importance is that they access CO2. They provide food, homes, and wood. They stop wind and add humidity. Animals that live in the rainforest. Many animals live in the rainforest. I chose to tell you about the rainforest animals because they're the coolest. Okapi is my favorite animal of the rainforest. Okapi has the legs of a zebra, hooves of a horse, blackish brown bodies, pale head, black ears, nose, and mouth. Other animals are the green anaconda, also the mata, and more. So, how do trees protect our houses? Windbreaks are when trees stop wind. Windbreaks are also very powerful. Windbreaks are one of the most important functions of trees. They also prevent soil erosion. Trees as our homes. Did you know people make their homes in trees, which are very popular in some climates? They're usually big, not small. They're made long ago. They're usually made from twigs and planks, held up by trees. But did you know, long ago, people took carving tools and carved off bark from a tree and carved out a wooden blueprint for houses and the tree houses that they were going to make. Well, you might think forest fires are actually a bad thing for the forests, but actually, no. Forest fires tear down all the dead trees that don't really need to be there. But after all that, all these ashes help new trees grow. So then all those new trees can create a new forest and at times more trees than there was. And when the still growing trees fall, usually some of the seeds fall out and go into the soil. So all those seeds in the soil, after time, they will start growing trees. In conclusion, every forest has their own way to survive. If we had no trees, we would have dirty, dirty oxygen. All trees provide things we need to live or survive. The last thing I need to say is, well, life is always better if we pull it all together, trees and all.